Hello everyone, let's solve for the value of x. So we have x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equal to, now 256 is seen as 4 raised to the power of 4. Now let's bring this to the left hand side of the equation. If we do that, we have x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Now recall that a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m times n. So that simply means we can actually express 4 as product of its factors, okay? So we can write x minus 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 again, right? Minus 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 again is equal to 0. Now, recall difference of two squares. Yes, it says that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. All right. Now, in this case, our a is equal to x minus 3 squared and our b is equal to 4 squared. So we are going to substitute them into this particular equation. Okay, so we substitute them here. So if we do that, that means we are going to have x minus 2 squared plus 4 squared, right? Multiplied by x minus 2 squared minus 4 squared is equal to 0. So we go ahead and solve. Recall that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so we can now solve this as, if we solve this in particular, if we expand it, we are going to have x squared minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by our b is 2, right? Then plus b squared, that is 2 squared. Oh, thank God I noticed this on time. So we are making use of 3 and not 2, please. This is x minus 3 and not x minus 2. So this is going to be 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 plus 3 squared, 3 squared, okay? Then plus 4 squared. That is it for the first bracket. Then open brackets. For this, we are going to have the same thing that we got here, right? It's going to be x squared minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 plus 3 squared, okay? Then plus 4 squared. Sorry, minus this time. Minus 4 squared is equal to 0. All right, now we are going to solve this. If you solve this, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 squared. 2 squared is 9 plus 16. Okay, close bracket, open bracket, x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 16 is equal to 0. I'm just being careful so that I don't make mistake. All right, if we solve, we have x squared minus 6x plus 25. Then open bracket, x squared minus 6x minus, this will give us 7, right? Minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, if this is the first time you are tuning in, the first time you are seeing this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Yes, so that you don't miss our amazing videos, okay? We upload videos daily, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times. So just tune in to check for new uploads, okay? We always keep you updated. Thank you so much, and please give us a thumbs up if you are actually enjoying this video. Thank you very much. So we are now going to solve. We have, from here we can see that x squared minus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0, and also that x squared minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now when you look at this, you can see that we cannot solve this using the quadratic equation using factorization method, but we can solve it using the quadratic equation formula. So if we do that, the quadratic equation formula says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now our a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is coefficient of x, which is minus 6. And our c is what? 25, which is our constant. Now let's substitute it into what we have here. We still come back to this, okay? Remember, we are looking for all the values of x. So we have that x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is minus 6 squared, minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by our a is 1 and our c is 25, right? Okay, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have that x is equal to minus becomes plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 25 is 100, everything divided by 2. So we have that x is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 100 will give us 64, right? Minus 64, sorry. Everything divided by 2. So our x is equal to 6 plus or minus. Now this same thing as square root of 64 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So we can say that x is 6 plus or minus 8i, because square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. Now we can factorize 2 from here to give us 3 plus or minus 4i, right? Divided by 2. Yes. Now this 2, we cancel this 2. And we can say, permit me to draw this line. And we can say that our x is equal to 3 plus or minus 4i. All right. So this is the first and the second value of our x. Now, let us solve for the remaining one. Recall that we have x squared minus 6x, x squared minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0, right? So we have also x squared minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. So looking at this, you can solve this using quadratic equation formula. So we need two factors of minus 7 that when we add, we get minus 6. And the two factors are 1 and minus 7, all right? And because this particular x squared has 1 as its coefficient, we can actually solve this using this method. So we have x squared, that is xx, and the two factors that we just called is 1 and minus 7, right? So plus 1 and minus 7. Yes, whenever you have this, the coefficient is 1, you can factorize using this method without doing any other thing. So from here, we can see that x plus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 7 is also equal to 0. So we have x is minus 1, and this should be the third value of x, and x is equal to 7, and this is the fourth value of x. So these are the values of our x. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.